Nice little car park. And turning area there. For this car parks. Oh, listen to those cockatoos. Oh, it's birds. This place is beautiful. Already just a lot of birds. Look at all the wait a while. See those vines with that? A little bit more open here. Yeah. That vine just gets on everything. There's a big boulder. You can hear the water now. Oh, I can't wait to drink some of this water. Big rocks everywhere. Big boulders. It's beautiful. Holy crap, it's nice. If it sounds like I'm breathing hard, I actually am running in between these because I want to get down there. It's that time of the day. Wonder what led to have these big boulders. But the cool thing is they get all this moss and lichen. Yeah, so you can just see that. That's all wait a while. It's a nightmare. Oh man, it can drape like over the street sometimes when you've got trees either side. Hang up people on motorbikes. Oh man, it has happened. What have we here? So we're getting close. Getting close. It's been a good workout for me. Oh, look how good this boardwalk is. That's brilliant. Path's been unbelievable. Really good. Got two directions. I'll go down here. Have a little bit of a look. This looks like it's very new. Haven't been to Josephine Falls for quite some time. Oh, this looks brilliant. This looks like old Mossman Gorge when you're allowed to go there. Oh, look at that. Look at that tree. Oh, God. You know, I was thinking of just driving past. I've done so many times. I thought, no. I'm heading down there. And just the drive itself down the road bit. So nice. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Yes, they've had some accidents here. This is all very true. We're getting it, eh? I hope this camera's capturing it. It is friggin' nice. like to know more about the geology of this place. Gotta go down here. It's in between big boulders. That makes it a must-see. There's a big tree. Oh. Glorious. That seat looks like a coffin. Not really, not really. It's been a long day, I'm tired. A lot of friggin' tiling. Look at this. There we go. There's a little bit of Mother Nature coming at you. Holy moly. Hasn't really particularly been raining much. I mean, around Innisfail, which this is kind of near, this is near Innisfail, kind of near Mirriwinni, but it's been raining a bit because that's just what they do in Innisfail rains. It's like it's Innisfail's job, and Tully and that is to rain. Yeah, so if you come down this creek view, well and good, but you've got this amount of stairs to navigate. It's not really wheelchair friendly, this bit here, but it's not too bad. If something does happen, you could get buried in that one. Go to that Gafar. Anything that says Gafar, I always take note of. There we go. It's just another viewing platform. Really in the mist here. It's quite powerful. Anyway, it's going to get dark. That was a little look at Josephine Falls. A little bit about the road in. It's very quiet here at the moment. I'd only met a few people leaving, so I could hang around and enjoy that, solid, I guess, just listening to all these insects and birds, and look out for things. Some animals might start coming out. It's still quite cold for us, so all these animals are, native to here, so we have to put up with a lot of heat. So what's going on at the moment is equivalent of being cold. So it's our winter. It's not exactly minus 40 or anything. But yeah, it's all filtered light even in the hottest part of the day when you're in these rainforests. And you get out of that heat a bit. It's nice place. Josephine Falls. Of course, this area is more than just Josephine Falls. There's a few different other locations around here inside this national park. It's very nice. It's a very good path. That's one thing. It's in good condition. We'll translate. It's quite peaceful. Gone quiet here. Big tree. Can't really film it 'cause it looks like it's had the top of it taken off in the cyclone. Hard to see, no doubt. We've got a bit of big chunk of tree here. Looks like it's starting to rot out a bit. Don't know what the term. Scooby-Doo mystery solved. It reminds me a little bit of the running scene from American Werewolf in his dream. Dreams were pretty wild in American Werewolf in London. When he first turned, he had some sort of a dream-like sequence anyway where he's running, but it's not an asphalt path. There's quite a few things that aren't the same about this scene. No werewolf is involved, for instance. Now, so finally coming out of that Josephine Falls pathway. Nice little seating area. Queensland Police are getting in on the safety messages. So we're back here, back at that little information kiosk. So I had this roundabout. There's a lot more to see up here. Oh, I see. We got walking tracks. Mount Bartle Free. I'm not sure how you say it. Free. So they will be big walking tracks. Oh, there's a sign up there. Oh, is it a free barbecue? Electric. Some dusk. Getting dark. Feedback. Oh, I've got good feedback. I'm going to have a look at the toilet next, but everything looks pretty good. Or noon, or I'm sure it's That was quite offensive the way I said it, but Wurunurin. 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 A scene from Elephant Man. Oh, broken nose, 10k return, 15k return at summit. Oh man, you can camp in there, you got to get a permit. Head into there. How cool is that? That's very good. I should go and have a look at these facilities. So it's right on 6 p.m. The last car is mine. Friggin' like that ute. Needs a bit of work. So do I. Flush toilet, can't go in there. I kinda could if I want to these days. It is 2024. Yeah. Yep. Handrail there. Oh, they're microbes. I can definitely go in this one. Can prove it too. Oh, stinks a bit. It's in good condition though. That just needs a bit of a hose out. Where's that pump? Oh. Got some more microbe there. It's the end of the day. They're in pretty good condition. They had plenty of toilet paper. I think that was a good something. We just went in there. But yeah, great walking tracks head off from here. I think Bartle Free's the biggest mountain sort of around this area. It's not Mount Everest, but you'd get right up there in the clouds because all the clouds sort of hang around that area.